to the Life Tube, where you can learn the secrets of makeup pros and pick up some of tips and tricks that insiders use. Today, let's learn about one latest trendy trick: how to make the perfect natural-looking brows. Step 1. Comb your eyebrows. No, seriously. Comb them away from your nose and towards the side for an accurate and tidy look. Comb your left eyebrow towards your left and your right eyebrow towards your right. Step 2. Shadows. Take an eyeliner brush. Using a color which matches your eyebrows' natural color, gently apply shadows. Don't worry if you miss a bit. Simply take some Q-tips or other cotton swabs to remove any excess parts. Now, time for a pro tip. Want to raise your brow angle a bit? Use concealer. Apply some of it under the brow. Remember, it should match your skin tone. And some shadows above. And voila! Step 3. And finally, apply some transparent brow gel to add a finishing touch that make your brows shine. Done? Now your natural-looking trendy brows are as good as done. Take care, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more pro tips and tricks about makeup.